I'm just taking the cabinets in. Sunwood is doing the doors and getting the doors made and repainted. So we're gonna see how this is done. So check it out. Okay, we're actually at Sunwood. We're actually gonna go see how the cabinets are actually done, the doors themselves that we've ordered. The finishing, the doors have been made, so we're actually gonna go check it out. So let's go. Come on, let's go. We're in the back now. We are going to meet with Joe and see the process of doing these cabinet doors. You ready to go, Joe?
Yep.
Cool, let's check it out. What's our first step here?
So the first step is like, I start to stuff the primer.
I'll translate. He's scuffing the doors themselves.
You open up?
Yeah.
This way the paint will adhere better. Any little dings, nicks in these doors are fixed. A lot of work. Okay, we're off. So this is the finished product. This kitchen still has the original boxes, but new cabinet doors and handles, original countertop, but the backsplash was changed to lighten things up, as the backsplash before was black with the dark cabinets. That made everything just kind of not really work. We kept the dark on the island to break it up a little, but this is what you can do to your project without doing brand new everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.